Hey gang, doing a very short video. Somebody asked me to share how the cabin top and the hull came together on the Pearson 34. So just doing a quick video here on the aft port locker, and I'll show a little bit of on the bow what that looks like. So hopefully this will help you guys. Okay, so this is the hull. And as you can see, it comes up and it creates a lip that goes around, and then the top of the boat gets sandwiched with some either Stickaflex or 5200, and then that gets bolted inside here. So on the edge, probably by the same strip all the way along the outer edge. So you can see the screws right there poking out. There's another one. There's another one. They're spaced about 12-16 inches apart all throughout. And then, you know, you have the rest of the backing plates. Everything on this boat actually was done really well. There's backing plates for all the stanchions, and, you know, any of the cleats. Everything has a backing plate. So Pearson did it right when they did that. So let me show you a little bit what that looks under the V-berth. Okay guys, this is on the V-berth. That forward locker heading towards the bow, you can see is the same throughout the boat. Backing plates for anything up on top. You have that fold-in lip for the hull mold, and then you have some form of Stickaflex and then screws bringing everything together for the deck on the hull. That's the very bow. You can actually see it pretty well in there. Okay gang, I hope that helps you out. Short quick video on how the hull and the deck are brought together here on Reverie, our 1985 Pearson 34 centerboard sailboat. Thank you for watching. Catch you later.